ביאור משנה ד', explanation for משנה ד'. ומאין היו מסיעים משואות. From where they used to put, where were the mountains that they used to do it? מאיזה הר היו מתחילים עם משואות? From which mountain they used to begin this whole process? ואילו הם הערים שהיו מסיעים בזה אחר זה. And what is the process that he traveled all the way down to Babylon? So it says, the first Mesuah was Har HaMishcha, the Har HaZeitim, the, how do you say it in English? Olive Mountain, you don't say it.
The Olive Mountain.
I don't think they call it Olive Mountain. They call it the Shemen, no, the oil. The anointing. Okay, I don't know what to remember. Olive Mountain. Okay, Har HaMishcha. Hainu Har HaZeitim, which means the Har HaZeitim, the Olive Mountain. Then Lesartaba. From there's another mountain, Sartaba, that you can see the Olive Mountains from.
And they check all this stuff.
Yeah, they do. There's actually today somebody who tried to recreate all the mountains.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, but they're not sure on a lot of the locations, so they have a lot of research to think which one are those. Har HaBolet be'arei HaShomron. This is another mountain on the mountains of Shomron. בגבול עמק הירדן מול הרי הגלעד. This is in the neighborhood of the valley of the Jordan against the mountains of Gilad. בעבר הירדן המזרחי, on the east part of the Jordan. ומסרטבה לגרופיניה. And from Sartaba to another place called Grufina. הר כוכבא. It's a mountain called כוכבא. בירכתי הגליל התחתון. This is the lower Galilee. ומגרופניה לחברן. מגרופניה to חברן. הר גבוה בירכתי עבר הירדן המזרחי. It's a tall mountain in the east of the Jordan. This is already Syria. ומחברן לבית בלטין, from חברן to בית בלטין, הר הנמצא בין גבולה המזרחי של ארץ ישראל וגבול ארץ בבל. This is somewhere in between this and Babylon. ומבית בלטין לא זזו משם, ומבית בלטין, it wasn't moved from there, אלא מוליך ומביא ומעלה ומוריד. From then it will make the signals. את הכלונס הבוער, עד שהיה רואה כל הגולה לפניו כמדורת אש. He would look at the cities of Babylon.
You see a line of fire.
Yeah, no, he would wait. From there you could see the city of Babylon. From that place already. So he would wait until all the Jews would bring a torch up on the roofs. And when he saw that the entire Babylon at night is fire, he knows that's it. That's my fire.
They know
That's what they know. That's right. And by the way, this was how they did it in the beginning. After it was messed up, they didn't do it anymore like this, right? And I'm sure that this is not the only places. I think it just tells you the major places, because I don't think you can get all the way to Babylon in 6 mountains. Yeah, but the idea was that this is the major mountains in between. I'm sure there were stations in between also to get from one mountain to another.
I have my friend, he lives in Jerusalem.
Uh-huh.
You can see Yam HaMelech.
How far?
מירושלים, בטח, לא יודע, 50 קילומטר.
Oh, so maybe you can. So maybe you can. Maybe you can reach to Babylon. Especially it's far away, it's a mountain, and people are looking for it. It's not like it just happens. It's not like today where there's light pollution. There's no light. There's no. You would be able to see it. Yeah.
Light pollution.
Yeah. בגמרא מבואר, the Gemara explains שהגולה היינו פומפדיטה. It was the city of Pumbedita in Babel. שכל אחד ואחד שם היה נוטל אבוקה. Each one of the people over there used to take a torch, ועולה לראש גגו, and he used to go up on the roof of his house, לפרסם את קידוש החודש, to tell everybody it's a new moon. וכך היו גם יודעים גם המסיעים בבית לטין, שבני בבל ראו כבר את מסורותיהם. And then everybody realized, because you did like this, maybe nobody saw you. When you saw that they respond to you, now you're relaxed. Okay, you can go back. והם מוסיפים להופיץ תודעת קידוש החודש במקומותיהם. So now, once it Pumbedita, people know, now you can go to sleep. Now it's going to get, this is the big city, everybody's going to know. Yep. הערה, שמות הערים במשנתנו, the names of the mountains that in the Mishnah, ביארנו על פי דוקטור וילנה. We explained according to Dr. Vilnai. לפי פרקי ההגדה ומשנה על י"א פרלינג. In other words, he says that these were the places. Other people say different places, but that's not... So I think we'll stop over here for today.